not South Puget Sound Community College, we are the foundation of all that SPSCC does, and with our communities, we are making the sound. We are making sound financial decisions, honoring the generosity of our supporters with wise and efficient stewardship.
So I moved to Olympia a week before fall quarter started, and I did not expect to go to college. But I walked into Building 22 in the 80s, and they said, yeah, if you fill out this application and do a few other things, you can start school next week. I was blown away. I hadn't heard of community college system. And when I was able to go to school that next week, I thought, this is the best kept secret. This is equal opportunity for all. And as a donor, I want to provide that to other people. I don't want financial barriers to be in their way if they want to better themselves and get an education.
We are raising a collective voice for equity and access, sounding off in support of our college and the community.
Hi, I'm Juan. I'm from Shelton. I'm a first-generation college student. My parents were from Mexico, so they didn't get the chance to go to school. Thanks to the foundation, I'm an SPS student now, and I get to go to college and get a transfer degree.
We are sounding a tone for underserved students and families that will echo for generations to come.
I am the first in my family to graduate from high school. I am the first to attend college, and the foundation is helping me achieve my goals of becoming a CPA.
We make the sound because SPSCC is part of our past, present, future, and legacy.
We make the sound because when it comes to student success, we cannot stay silent. Individually, we are business leaders, educators, philanthropists, retirees, working moms, and dads.
Together, we're a powerful force for progress, harmonizing our efforts for access, opportunity, and persistence in local higher education.
Together! Through our resources and our resolve, we're making a difference in our community.
Together, we're supporting an institution that devotes every day to making masterpieces out of college material.
Together we're making the sound!